Hey guys, this is an update video on all my Rainforest scorpion babies. I've currently sold 3 from the first clutch that the female gave birth to, which are over here. There's one little guy there. They're all scattered throughout the enclosures. Still got about 25 left, or yeah, 25 plus left. I'll have to recount them. You can tell that these ones are older by just looking at them. So take this one for example. He's got pretty dark coloration compared to these ones over here that are more reddish pinkish on the body, and they're more brownish on the pincers. They're doing well. Yeah, just thought I'd do this little update because I'm pretty bored and haven't been releasing much videos lately. If you're in Australia, you can buy some of these, one of these. They're $12 each, 2 for $20, and then $8 for 3 or more. I can post Australia wide, apart from Western Australia and Tasmania. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.